Bonjour, Oksana is with you. Today we will speak about 2 mistakes that you can do training your challenge when you stand up with your leg just. So first mistake is about balance exercise. When you train your balance and stand exactly in this position. What I advise to watch in front of you. Find one point, concentrate on this point. Don't see anyone or anybody who is around. Because when you're professional, you can watch aside, you can move your head, you can do whatever you want and you will still keep your balance. But when you start, try to concentrate with one point just. It will help you to train your balance. That's it. The second mistake is about your knees. I always care about your knees, not to harm them. So when you train your chair on one leg, what you are doing? You stand and you sit. Be careful where you put your foot. First position. When you put your foot, don't put it here or don't put it here. Just exactly on your knee. Why? Like that will fix your knee. When you sit down, it's protected, it's safe, it's fixed. You can sit like this 1 hour and everything is good. You don't feel your knee. Second one, when position is on this way. So don't put your foot here or here. Because when you put your foot, for example, here, then sit down. Immediately you feel your knee because your knee is not protected here, it's not fixed. So what I advise to put your foot exactly on your knee. You see, it's done like that. Your foot is coming on your knee, then you sit down. Your knee is fixed. Your muscles are working. Your knee is protected. You can sit like this and do whatever you want for 2 hours and train your muscles. You can do it. You can do it. And always remember, train in a safe way. Train with the mind. Train with Oksana.